Logan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really special and exciting adventure planned for us today, and I have a special guest.
Hi!
My best friend Sarah! Yay! She's going to be joining us today, and she does not know what we're going to be doing today.
No.
So, let's sit down and explain to her what we're going to be doing.
Yay!
So, today we are going to be doing drawing challenges, and don't worry, you don't have to be good at drawing to complete the challenges because I don't trust myself enough to be good at drawing to complete something. So, I'm gonna have to stop you right there. This video is different. A series of things went wrong when filming this video, and, well, there was a change of plans. Okay, so we lost all of our footage.
Yeah.
Or most of it. You saw a little bit of it. We have a change of plans. Instead, we're going to make a recipe that took me a while to develop. It is a lemonade slushie. It is a little sour, but that's what we like about it. So, we're going to start. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is juice your lemons. We have quite a few lemons. Last time I did this, I needed about 8 lemons. We have 8. So when you're juicing lemons, it's important that you don't squirt yourself in the eye. So we have unnecessarily large eye protection, but does it need to be adjusted?
They're good.
I'm gonna fix mine a little bit. So basically, you're going to cut your lemons in half and use a juicer. You could just squeeze them, but you're not going to get as much juice out of them if you just squeeze them than if you use like a juicer. Yeah. Here's a lemon, and what you need to do is press the lemon onto your table or cutting board or whatever you're using and roll it. It'll be a little softer now, and that will get the juices going. Now we're going to cut it in half. Now with the 2 halves of the lemon, you're going to juice your lemon half. You can take the seeds out first if you want, but our juicer will catch all the seeds, so we don't need to do that. Okay, so we have quite a bit of seeds and juice left, so I'm just going to pour it all into a strainer, or this is actually a sieve, to get the juice. Now I'm going to change out of my art shirt that I used to block the lemon juice. There we go.
Yay!
Okay, so we have a cup and a half of lemon juice. Now, throw away your lemon peels and set your juice aside. Now, fill up a small or medium-sized pot with about 1.5 cups of water. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Now turn the heat on to medium-high and wait till it simmers.
And simmering is where the bubbles are at the top and at the bottom of the pot, not boiling yet. Now our water is simmering, and we're going to add the sugar half a cup at a time, stirring until it's all dissolved. You'll know it's dissolved when the water turns clear. Now all the sugar is dissolved, so take your pot off the burner. Now do not touch the stove, it's very hot. You can also add ice cubes to speed up the process. Now put your lemon juice in the mixture, slowly. And make sure you stir in between. We're totally professionals. Burn it. Now get out your blender and pour your lemon juice into the blender. Excuse me.
Now get 4 cups or 4 large handfuls of ice.
And add them in slowly. Wow! Very loud. We don't have any more room to add more ice, so what I'm going to do is pour a little bit out into a cup, which is perfectly fine to do. It won't really change much, and then you can just drink it, and then you can add more ice to make it more slushy. Now it's ready to serve. Serve with colorful straws and a sprinkle of sugar if you desire.
Oh, cute.
Now this is Sarah's first taste test of my recipe.
Okay. Oh, that's so good.
I'm so glad. Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
That is.
Not to brag.
Let's rock that still helps.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna go enjoy these lemonade slushies. I need to stop drinking it. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.